This is a quick video to draw your attention to some of the comparative forms we've looked at in class. I'm not going to talk about all of them, but I'm going to single out so plus the adjective, as to plus the infinitive. Now this is similar to to plus the adjective, to plus the infinitive. For example, the difference was too small to notice. Too small, obviously excessive, and the result was it was too small to notice. You couldn't notice it. So as the example shows you, spot the differences. They look the same and you say the differences were too small to notice. The difference was so small as to be unnoticeable. So here we have to take the opposite. It was so small and the result unnoticeable. The difference was so small as to be unnoticeable. So it's like so small equals unnoticeable. That's kind of the effect of the structure. How different is it? Well, simply by adding far, much, slightly, or a little, we can talk about the level of difference. So extreme difference, it was far easier, it was much easier, and not much difference, it was slightly easier, it was a little easier than the last exam. If we want to sound more colloquial, we can say it was a whole lot or a little bit or a bit easier than the last exam. Okay, and here we have a structure not nearly as. So Harry's not nearly as bald as William. That says that they are one is a lot balder than the other person. In this case, William is a lot balder, poor bloke, than Harry. Although Harry's on the way, he's not nearly as bald as William. If you think of the structure as without not, he's nearly as bald as William, it means they're almost the same. So simply by making it negative, then you're making the difference more extreme, okay? Not nearly as bald as William, or maybe by next year they will be. By far is when we use this with the superlative to emphasize. So it was by far the biggest pumpkin in the competition. Okay, simply by adding by far, you're emphasizing the size of that pumpkin. And boy, oh boy, is that a big pumpkin. Okay, well, hopefully that's cleared things up for you, and see you.